Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening Command Prompt efficiently. Press the Windows key and type CMD, then choose Command Prompt. Once done, use Run as administrator when you need full access. Make sure to confirm the UAC prompt so commands run with elevated privileges. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, press Win+X then to open an elevated prompt instantly. This gets you into a working shell where commands affect system-level settings or files. That administrative context is why we open it this way. Now navigate to where your file's live. Type CD followed by the path and use dir or tree to list contents. Tab completion speeds typing. Once in place, run practical commands. ipconfig/all shows network details, ping example. Com checks connectivity, and system info gives hardware and OS information. Use the Apparel to recall past commands and edit them, which saves time. If you need to run scripts, call them with their path or use. Start to launch separate windows for parallel tasks. Finish by saving any important output using file name, txt, or to append so you can review results later. Make sure to close the window with exit when done. If commands fail, try common fixes. Run sfc/scano for system file issues or chkdsk on a drive to repair disk errors. If you see permission denied, reopen Command Prompt as administrator and repeat the command. A quick troubleshooting tip: validate paths with dir and confirm your current directory before executing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.